In today's video, I'll guide you on the basics on how you can use Notion Calendar. So let's get started. So first, go into calendar.notion.so and then log into your Notion account. From here, it would now suggest that you should connect your calendar with Google or Apple, depending on which one you'd want. In my case, I'll just connect this with Google and click on Continue to Google Permissions, select my account, and then from here, click on Continue, and then scroll all the way down and click on Continue again. Now, from here, you should click here to grant access to calendar and contacts. And then I'm going to click here again and basically the same process and continue again. So that's it. And this one, we are now signed in to Notion Calendar with our Google account. So there it is. So the prompt is now gone and it will now sync our calendar. That is, if you don't want to sync it. If not, then you could just skip that step. Now, in here, if you're wondering if you could access this in your Notion plans right here, as you can see, you could also do that by creating a calendar element right here or block. So when you are here in your Notion page, you just simply need to go for a slash and then calendar. And then you should see the calendar view. And then you should now already see it right here on what you have put here in your calendar. And then you could also sync it if you want to. And then you can click here on Open any calendar, and then you'll be prompted here again into Notion Calendar. And you just need to wait for that to load, and here we are. Now, next is that we could now add some events right here by double clicking on the spaces. So right here, let's say that I would want to add an event here on May 13th. So I'm just gonna go and double click in here, and then this would pop up on the right side. So I can put a title, let's say a sample event. As you can see, it is now right here. And then you could input the time right here, the start time, and then the end time. And then you could also include the participants, the conferencing. So if this is a meeting, then you can go for Google Meet or Zoom, or you could manage your conferencing if you'd want. And then you could add a location, documents and links, descriptions, and then the accounts right here, and then the reminders. So if you'd like to be reminded 30 minutes before, you can just set it up right here. And then you could also duplicate this, copy or cut if you'd want to. And then you could set this as an event or a birthday. So these are your essential options here when you're setting up an event here in your calendar. Next is you'll be seeing an overview here on the calendar on the left side, wherein you could navigate through your calendar's month. And then you can see the scheduling, and then the calendar accounts that you can navigate to. You can go for family holidays in the Philippines, in my case. So you might have different calendar accounts in here, and then your Notions right here. So yeah, that's it for this video on how you can use Notion Calendar for beginners. Thank you for watching.